Oh, here we go, guys. King J Smoke back with another video. And today is the official day of the first day of the TikTok ban. They closed down 2 hours early. And it's the end of an era. And I feel so sad for you guys. I don't feel sad for me because I wasn't doing much on TikTok. I was like getting ready to ramp up on TikTok and try to figure out how to get paid and stuff like that. And as we start making content, and because like this is my era of like monetization, trying to get really paid. You know what I'm saying? Making good, clean content and stuff like that. Just figuring it out. Not even figuring out, doing my thing, man. But they just wiped out a whole bunch of millionaires, thousandaires, man. People are upset. People are totally upset. But right now, I'm gonna give you some tips on what you can do. I know I got like a little series going on. So I'm going to keep the series going with today video, today vlog and stuff. But I think this going to be my King of Pentacles right here. I don't know. We're going to figure it out. But anyway. Y'all actually found a method. Right? Y'all found mad methods on TikTok. And the methods y'all found out was how to find products and promotions and actually like just sell to the masses. Now I know TikTok algorithm was different than a lot of these other algorithms and you could blow up fast. But I think that we pretty much could do the same thing on other platforms. You just got to set it up in a way where you find your product and you direct your traffic to the link. Because over here, we've been doing it over here. But you gotta find a way to do it in short form video, and you can do it in longer form video. You can do product reviews, like regular stuff. This is all regular stuff. Yeah. So that's one thing y'all can do. Other thing y'all can do, y'all was getting money off of going live. Just go live on these other platforms. If you could do it on TikTok, I believe possibly you could do it on other platforms. But TikTok was more fast paced. And a lot of these other platforms are more slower paced, I could say. So yeah, I believe y'all can do your thing. So right now I'm just folding clothes. Y'all folding clothes with me. I'm watching my homie. But throw that Coogee. I think I'm gonna take a picture in this and then get rid of it. I don't know yet. I know what I'm doing, but I don't know what I'm doing. I can say that. I know what I'm doing, but I don't know what I'm doing. And that's how it's gonna be for you guys on these other platforms. When y'all move from TikTok to the other platforms, especially if you wasn't like really into the other platforms like that. That's how it's gonna be. It's gonna be like, I know what I'm doing, but I don't know what I'm doing. And you gotta have to find your way. But it's gonna be alright, because I feel that we all gonna blow up. And that means a whole bunch of people are gonna be on these other platforms. The biggest platform I feel is gonna be is YouTube. Because of the culture, the ages. The younger generation was on TikTok. So the younger generation not gonna go and run the Facebook like that. They not gonna run the X like that. They ran the Red Note. Yeah, all the companies you can run to, I'm gonna say now, I don't think you should run the Red Note. And I was on there looking at it, and yeah, it's like, it's completely a different culture. Like, in general, it's like literally a different culture. You just let them run off to the kitchen. Toothpaste in the bathroom.
The kids' toothpaste is mine.
It should be. But with his toothbrush, ain't toothbrush in the bathroom?
Just a toothbrush, but not the toothpaste.
Look on the buckets.
What bucket?
The containers. You know, because it was one on top of clothes, and then it was one in the cabinet. What? Red Note. I don't know. It's like different. It's like completely the Asian culture. Like I was over there. I was like, "What button is this?" that whole page is like in a whole different language, bro. And you could try to change it and stuff like that. You still gonna get hit with other languages and stuff. So. I'm slowly getting through all these clothes. So, let me finish doing this and I'll be back with you. This gotta get washed again. If you look, this is what I be talking about. This be the problem. This is why clothes be getting dirty so much. See this? Look. And I gotta wash this again. You know what all this is? Look at it. You know what all that is? You know what all that is? Pop-Tart. Pop-Tart. I don't know how. I don't know why, but nothing Pop-Tart. That's all it is. Probably done climbed in something with the Pop-Tart. Do a Pop-Tart somewhere. It's Pop-Tart. But I'll be back with y'all in a minute. Shit crazy. So, this kind of new for me. Not really. Well, yeah, it's kind of new. Hold on. So, now niggas saying, niggas got to hold that because niggas took 2 weeks off for Christmas. Like, everybody took weeks off for Christmas, right? No, just to let you know, we supposed to be in Vegas for Christmas, and right now we supposed to be getting ready to go to Cali. Like dead ass. We moved Vegas from around Thanksgiving to Christmas. My cousin still bounced. My girl cousin, she went somewhere. I don't know where she went. Cause she like, bump all that. I can't take this. I gotta go. Her mom had passed, and her dad passed. Right? So she still went somewhere. Everybody else was acting like they didn't feel like going nowhere. And they ain't had no money and stuff. And you know me, it's so cruel with me, so I'm thinking I'm gonna have extra help and stuff. No, it ain't happening like that. So we just stay home for Christmas. That's really what happened. Now with this Cali trip, fires and stuff, white don't feel like it's safe. For me, nor my daughter and stuff. But I just went along with like, alright, whatever. Which really, it ain't safe because all that shit going on. Next thing you know, they're gonna start looting. It's gonna be like a war zone in Cali. So, you're breathing bad and everything else. What up? Which one? good, JD? He's fucking with him. Hey, that's what really happened. Now, let me put a shirt on.
I thought that was JD Day, JD.
Oh, what's up?
I'm trying to get me a cigarette.
Oh, shit.
Huh?
I had to scrape a change for this one Lucy. They ain't trying to give up nothing.
Hell no.
They talking about, so we gotta get the kitchen, like kitchen my ass.
Man, I thought JD, I'm trying to get me a cigarette.
I feel you. Shit, this is my first one of the day, guys. Dead serious. And like, what was happening was the pain was here, but started like easing away, and then my mouth just so mad dry for no reason. I guess that I was smoking. So, probably. So now I'm like, we got phlegm coming up and shit. Yeah, man. But back to what I was talking about. So now these last 2 weeks was like treacherous. But I'm tapped out. Like with spending money and a little extra money to do stuff with and things like that. I ain't got nothing, bro. I'm dead serious. And I ain't doing nothing extra. Like, I'm tapped out. You heard me say I had straight for change to get one cigarette. I really got 3. But I ain't giving up these other 2. I'm trying to quit anyway, so I ain't really tripping on that too much. But yeah, man, it is treacherous, man. This shit hard. I think that's another thing. We fast. A lot of us be fasting, like like proxy. Like we just fast. So we've been doing intermittent fasting and stuff like that. So we just be fasting anyway. And then I keep trying to get through the second half of this extreme weight loss program. Shit. So that's extreme fasting right there. I went a week without eating. Somewhat. I say somewhat. Well, I'll cook this cabbage soup tonight, probably. If I can, the stove done. So it's like, nah, nigga, you ain't eat no cabbage soup. I probably skip cabbage soup and go into a salad week. No, do another protein week. Go into the salad week. Then go into the shake week. The cleansing shakes. I don't know. We'll see. Me? Me? Keep saying me.
You don't hear me
I keep saying me.
You can't keep
You
saying
okay?
that.
I got on tape. How you gonna tell me I say
I
nothing?
can hear you.
I got recorded. You said me. Me. And I got you saying, you ain't say shit. Alright guys, it's 1:47. Look at this. Got some pasta with the cheese. Tastes so rich. Creamy and good. That's so good. Now that is banging. And then got my steak on the table. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, you see all that grease and oil, all that fat dripping off of it. What you do is just season it. You put it in there and let it cook. You put it in for 15 minutes, let it sit. And then I'll put it in for another 15 minutes. Usually I flip it over, but I ain't flip it this time. Yeah. Let's season both sides. Look at all that fat. All that grease and oil coming up out there. Like, look. It's just hanging. I think that's so neat. So cool. You can sit here and look at it. Look. That's fat. Grease and oil and stuff. Dripping all off of it. Fat just melting off of it. Weirdly. Now, about 3 minutes left. Yeah, I know that's gonna taste delicious. I probably should put it in there for 15 more minutes. I don't know. I'm gonna open it up to see what it look like. I know it's juicy. I know it's banging right now. Like my macaroni cheese banging. That's that gourmet macaroni cheese, to be honest with y'all. I'm just not saying nothing. I just said something. I know I need some more stuff for the house, man. Bro, I gotta really go to sleep and get up and come with a plan. Like a real hard plan, like really drop it off. And like really come up, like, you know what I'm saying? And my wife got like, she got really like in with me, bro. If she want what she want, I'll get what I want. We got really locked in, bro. But it's gonna be hard. It ain't gonna be all that hard, but it's gonna be a journey. But like, I'm gonna have to be back and forth. Look at that. That's so tizzy. That's the results of macaroni and cheese when you make it with roti. You get it like this. Oh, my steak done. But another thing people were saying was, well, as of right now, TikTok is back. I don't know how back it is. I deleted the app off my phone, and now I can't like bring it back up on my phone. I tried, re-download it. And I just started getting into TikTok. Like, I ain't been on TikTok and like start scrolling like that yet. But yeah, I was gonna get back on there and see what it was, what was going on and stuff. Now this one I want is like right in the middle. Let me show y'all. So yeah, that's it right there. Yeah. We gotta cut into it. We cut into it, baby. We want to see if it's red in the middle. So, you know, we don't do raw meat. Yeah, I have to put it in for 15 more minutes. Let's see. No, it's good. Look like it should be good. No, nah, it's not good. We gotta flip that bad way over. I knew I was gonna have to flip it over. See how it's looking on the bottom. That's raw. Alright, so flip it over. Put it in there for 15 more minutes. Well, 30 more minutes on this side. 30 on one side, 30 on the other side. And then we'll get it. Alright. Well, look at that. Gotta take a bite of that steak. Not like a lunch, dinner, brunch, dinner, breakfast, lunch. This is a late dinner. It's 2:11 now. I'm still cooking the other two. But I had put those in more towards the middle, you know. Look at how much dripped out there. That junk is banging, bro. It is banging. So let me eat this real quick. I'll be back. Oh yeah, guys. How much snow it is? It's 8 o'clock in the morning. Hell yeah.
I look crazy.
Don't look crazy.
I'm fucking all dry.
We had to get back out. She smelled gas again, so we outside. Yeah. Oh, we got the gang that ain't running.
Somebody's gonna have to push him across the snow, 'cause I'm not doing it.
No, I tell you take over. I tell you had all my stuff. You,
Right there, man.
getting all my cigarettes wet, my cigarette butt. You having fun? You ever seen this much snow, guys? Edge curve. I'm trying to get out to get them too wet.
Stay here.
They can get out. I ain't want to.
Wait. Help somebody.
Let them out. Let them go. They know how to get out.
All they do is climb. And then if he falls, they're scared to. He's all right.
Miracle. Miracle. Get Pooter. Get Pooter. That.
Yeah, he definitely gonna get hypothermia.
Go ahead. He gonna get too cold. No, he gets sick. He ain't got his snow pants on. Grab her real quick. I don't know why she took off after.
Doesn't want to play in this. If I didn't have my iPad on me and my phone on me, I'd jump. I got an idea. Here, get my phone.
Don't do that, because you're going to have water all over the place, too.
My iPad probably went here.
You got water all over the place now.
I can't make a snow angel real quick, bro.
In the house. You can't. You can have all stuff. Yeah, I heard you.
I'm gonna shake my snow.
Why?
Get frostbite, hypothermia, all that stuff.
And we gonna have.
that.
Come on, I'm trying to get this. I gotta hurry up and go back across here.
Falling down, chasing after him. Anyway.
Come on, guys.
It didn't come out. You okay? Ow. Can we help?
No.
Oh, that hurt it when I said it. But at least it was grass.
You okay? You gonna be alright? Come on, let's go sit your booty down. Look, you made a snow angel. Alright, get in the house.
The landlord got to replace the stove, right?
It ain't the stove. Yes, I know. It's the stove off.
It is.
The stove is off. How is it gonna be a stove and the gas is stove off?
You turned it back
You talking about some stop lying? No, I didn't. I turned it off. I glassed it off. You sound crazy. My mom crazy as hell. Oh, it is a stove. Not lying. Not lying. What are you talking about? The gas to the stove is off. I'm literally in there using a new way. The fuck are you talking about? Why would you close the door? People do shit that don't make sense. Oh, God, especially her. Looking crazy. But anyway, let me go take care of this. I guess I should do this down driveway. We got a lot more snow, dog. Hit up all these yards out here. Make a good life. $1,000 a day. If you're on the driveway, get that snowblower going. Get that bad boy up. Snowblow for about 10 hours. $100 a driveway, bro. That ass. But I'm just do driveways. I'll do the porch and steps. Y'all can do that. Y'all good. You got that. You know what I'm saying? Do porches and stairways for $25. Yes, it is. We pretty much figured this was gonna happen today. I was trying to go nowhere. I'm not gonna say it's my wife, but my wife always brings something up. There's a time where we just now let me stop. She just smelled it or something, and her head be hurting. So ever since certain events, ever since her pregnancy, she just her senses just been heightened. Let me get this in. Call 911. I'll be back. Fire department came and they ain't see or find nothing. So we gotta wait till RG&E come. See what's talking about. Mother so crusty. I just woke up, bro. I got up, put my clothes on. But it's a good thing the house ain't about to break up, blow up or nothing. And when RG&E cut her, I'll probably get the stove cut on. I probably should cut the stove on right now. Because then we could be back in business. I have them check it. It's like my head hurt. I don't know. We got it's cool out here for a minute. And we'll see. Wake up to a gas leak. This shit. Like, dang. Can't never get no sleep, bro. Like, I literally just fell asleep around like 8 o'clock. 9 o'clock, she waking me back up. Wake up to this shit. No. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I don't know, man. But I feel y'all in. Alright, the guys coming here. I'm about to let them in. I'm about to check everything. Hey, yeah. Alright, guys, so everything's supposed to be good. They checked everything, they didn't find anything. So I'm bringing everybody back over here. I want to go back to sleep, but I'll just get out here and start shoveling and everything real fast. Then come back and go back to sleep, because it's freezing. Right now, I'm cold. I got to charge my phone up and stuff too. So, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put my pants on my other pants. Them Jordan sweatpants over these sweatpants. And get ready to plow this stuff out. Probably should put on my bigger coat. Then I got to dig all the way in the closet for that. This is crazy, bro. So they didn't find anything. They turned the stove back on for me, so I had to check the stove, make sure everything was good and straight. So yeah. This was cool. So get my little people, bring them back across the street, charge this phone, and get started on our day, I guess. Take a nap later. Alright, I'll be back. Let it snow a little bit, hope you don't get sick. Yeah. I mean, that's all you want to do. Wait for Miracle and my wife get ready. My feet cold. Gotta try to charge this phone up real fast. What, you cold now? Oh, so you gonna get a little cold tonight. You like the snow? You got your snow bed. All right, come on. You ready? You know, they ain't never ready. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Come on, let's go to front. Front. Come on, let's go to the front. They should be ready. Alright, somebody called me. Hold on, guys. This is crazy. It would be reallocated. How grant money get reallocated? If you get approved from grant, how could they reallocate your grant money? That's crazy. Hold on, guys. Now they call me. And now they in the house asking me, did we leave? Yeah. They do not want to leave. I should leave their ass over here. Says they want to sit up here and just cool out and kick it. You ever heard of Hansel and Gretel? Nah. Think everything's sweet till you find out your dinner. Nah. Come on. Come on, baby. 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 I just had an epiphany. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Come on, baby. Babies. Babies. Oh, yeah. Come on. I gotta hurry up and come back and do this. I thought I'd hurry up and do it. Only gonna take a couple minutes. So run it up and run it down. Run it up and run it down. I don't really run this up and down. It ain't gonna be that much. Yeah. It's just the snow keep blowing, bruh. See all the snow up there? Blowing off the roof and stuff. That's the thing. Not just snow, it's the fact that it's windy. Too, so like big ass bricks flying off the roof and stuff. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. It's be cold. Come on, we're gonna have to take your clothes off. He's trying to slide out the other side. Fuck around, get stuck. Come on. Come on. Come on. You stuck? You got that. Come on. Please. 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 Come on, please. What? You talking about some, bring your butt over here, boy. Get it over here. You gonna make me get in the trampoline with you. I'm really letting them play. Are y'all ready? Come on, they ready now. They ready, come on. They ready now, come on. Come on, they ready now. You should let me out first so I can get you. You about to try to beat me. Look. Ran off with it. Where over there? Yeah. I'm trying to get him. Help me. Help me, please. Help me, please. Come on. Go time. Huh? Go ahead. Y'all gonna be cold, yeah.
You serious?
Yeah. I'm trying to get him out the stand.
Go get him.
Why he's behind me? Yeah, we try and go. Go, come on. All right, grab Pooter. Come on, let's go. They're trying to help you. grab him. All right, we're going back to the house now. Huh? Yeah, I got the key. Sure. We try to come over there. We try to grab Pooter. Don't you got your key?
No, because I actually left in a timely order.
So you just left your key?
Oh my God.
What?
Yes. Which one is it? This one?
Uh-huh.